In this video, we're going to create a simple multiple choice lesson, one of the simplest types of lessons to create. But you'll be amazed at the different ways that you can use it. You can automatically play games with it, automatically create quizzes with it, and do all sorts of different matching games and activities. But enough of talking. Let's go in and see whether we can create a multiple choice lesson. And can we really create a multiple choice lesson in just minutes? Well, let's give it a shot. First, we have to log in. So let's click the login or register button up at the top. And since I'm already registered, I can just click in my login name right there. And now this is my home page. Now, I'm going to do all of my create lesson activity right here under my authored lessons. So we'll start with create a lesson. And we can start timing now if we want to see how long it takes us to actually create a lesson. First, we click the create a lesson button. And first thing we can do is we can choose a template. We can choose multiple choice text template, a variety of image templates, sound templates, and also video templates. For this lesson, let's just choose a multiple choice text template. Now we've got to give the lesson some information. So we'll give it a name. How about elements and symbols? This is going to be a short lesson, so let's say this just takes 5 minutes. Subject is chemistry. You can put in Common Core if you like. Let's assume this is maybe grade 5. Some chemical elements and their symbols. Now we press the save button right here. If it was saved successfully, we get a little note that it was saved successfully right at the top. And we have a new button now that wasn't there before, Manage Lesson Content. So this is where we want to go to actually add the individual questions in our lesson. So we'll add a new item. This is a new multiple choice question. As you can see, you can put in the question, the correct answer, and the wrong answers. So let's start out. How about a nice simple element, hydrogen? And I think everybody knows hydrogen is H. And let's put in some wrong answers. So if you didn't know hydrogen was H, these are things you might guess. And how about adding another one? Okay, here's oxygen. As you can see, we're just typing in just some options here. Okay, and let's add a couple more. How about gold? Lots of people like gold. That's a nice one to throw in. And of course, not everyone knows that it's actually a U. And let's even put Ag, which is silver. And now add one more. How about iron? So as you can see, we just put in the right answers, the wrong answers. And we're done. So I'm guessing that if we take a look and see how long that took, that was around 3 minutes, maybe 3.5 minutes. That was 4 questions. We were going at a nice slow pace. I think that if you take a look at that and say 20, 25 questions, which is about as many as is usually works in a lesson, you could probably get that done in under 20 minutes. And in order to publish it and make it available to everybody in your class, click publish, and we're done. Okay, so we created this lesson in 3 or 3.5 minutes, but what can you do with it? Well, To find that out, you can watch the next video, which shows you what you can do with a nice, simple multiple choice lesson. And I think you might be surprised at all the things you can do. So give it a try.